How to fix Instagram not letting you log in. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the status of Instagram. For that, launch your preferred browser. Then type in "Is Instagram down" and search for it. Now click on this website option, Down Detector. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now from this page, you will know if Instagram has some issues or not. If you see this kind of pop-up, user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram. That means there is no issue in the Instagram server. So that means the issue is in your internet connection or the Instagram app itself. So you can close this. Now what you can do is launch your settings. Click on the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Also, what you can do is head over to this option of General. Click on the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Then open this app Instagram. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. If you still encounter the issue, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can fix Instagram not letting you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.